Good day, I'm Chris Dan Matthew Madriaga Boral from BPA 2020. My report is all about decision agenda. But first, what is agenda? Agenda. In politics, a political agenda is a list of subject or problems, issues to which government official as well as individual outside the government are paying serious attention to at any given time. A list of outline of things to be considered or done, agendas of faculty meetings, an underlying often ideological plan or program, a political agenda. An agenda lists the items of businesses to be taken up during a meeting or session. It may also called calendar. An agenda is a collection of problems, understanding of causes, symbols, solution, and other element of public problems that come to the attention of members of the public and their government official. Agendas exist at all levels of governments. Every community and every body of government has a collection of issues that are available for discussion and disposition. So we go on agenda setting. Agenda setting is a problem or challenge that impacts the public is initially identified. Solutions are put forward by interested parties both inside and outside of government. Agenda setting typically goes through these stages. First, systematic agenda. All issues public officials feel are worth addressing. Second, institutional agenda. Distilled from the systematic agenda list, these issues are chosen as the ones policymakers should analyze and consider acting on. Third, discretionary agenda. This list comes directly from lawmakers, not from the systematic and institutional agendas. And lastly, decision agenda. The final list of issues that policymakers will consider for action. So, sinasabi dito sa decision agenda, ito yung pinagbibigyan pansin ng ating mga policymakers or ng ating mga tao sa gobyerno. Sa aking pagkakaintindi, ang decision agenda, ito yung naglalaman ng mga importanteng issue o kaya top priority issue na kinakaharap ng ating mamamayan ng ating bansa, at ito ay dapat bigyan ng unang pansin. I have here some issues 2021 to 2022. First is the economy. Second, COVID vaccine. Third, jobs. Fourth, education. Fifth, corruption. 6, poverty. 7, crime. 8, inflation. 9, wages. And 10, illegal drugs. Also, we have clean elections, foreign relation with China over WPS, and environment, utilities, terrorism, telecommunications, tax reform, transportation, and lastly, constitutional reform. So we see here the top 3 issues: economy, COVID vaccine, and job. In my report, this is some examples of a decision agenda. We have so many issues that our government gustong bigyan ng pansin. Pero may mga issues din na dapat mas bigyan pansin. I mean, there are some issues that our government should be prioritized. And that's all for my report, and thank you.